Welcome back. In today's quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to enable a friend to view your story on Snapchat using the latest update. If you've been struggling with story privacy settings or just want to customize who can see your content, this is for you. Let's jump right in. First, open your Snapchat app. Once you're on the main camera screen, look at the top left corner and tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon. This will take you to your profile page where all your account settings and options are located. Next, scroll slightly until you find the My Friends section and tap on it. Here, you'll see your full list of friends on Snapchat. Now, find the specific friend you want to allow access to your story. Once you've found their name, press and hold on it. This will open up additional options for that friend. From the menu that appears, tap on Privacy Settings. This is where you can control what that particular friend can or cannot see on your account. Inside the privacy settings, look for the option labeled My Story. You'll see a toggle next to it. Simply turn that toggle